Welcome back to Haulover Inlet in this episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it really does appear we're in for a good one today, as Haulover appears to be firing on all cylinders. It's giving this sun station just about everything it can handle. I always enjoy watching these kind of boats come out. These boats are built for speed, not really for handling this inlet on a rough day like this, but you know what? This wife and this kid have it down pat. They already knew if they were sitting in that back seat, they were getting soaked, and that's why they're sitting behind the helm right here. Let's go ahead and get this episode started. Our first contestant to come through and do battle with Haulover Inlet today is going to show us what it's like when you have a good start at Haulover, but maybe not finish as strong as you would like. Here we've got this pretty good sized Sea Ray coming rolling through Haulover Inlet. Triple Merc 350s on the back. It should have all the tools it needs to handle this inlet, and at the start they look pretty good. They're actually running about just the right pace for Haulover. They are just barely on plane, which should let this boat do the work. As long as they hold this pace, they probably are going to be in an okay situation. But right here it appears that we've had a door come open and they're going to pull back on the throttle and we've got a man down. This can be an extremely dangerous situation at Haulover, because not only does this captain now have to worry about this door hatch that's open, he has to worry about his crew member who's on the ground, and he's still trying to do battle with the waves at Haulover. This round right here will absolutely go down as a loss for the boats, and Haulover will take an easy first win in our first round. Our second contestant to do battle with Haulover is going to show us that sometimes it's a little easier on the return than it is on the exit. Here we're going to see this scare with 500 horsepower on the back straight cruising through Haulover. These guys have got their speed down pat, get a little airborne right there, but overall look pretty good as they're coming back into the inlet. Throw a little wave to the camera and take an easy win for the boats in the second round. Our next contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to show us what it's like when Haulover lays the smackdown. Oh dear lord, when I see signs like this, it's never good. Here we go, these guys are rolling through Haulover pretty solid, and oh my god! Oh my gosh! This guy right here got absolutely smacked down by Haulover. Wow! That is going to leave a mark. I mean, for one of the first times in a long time, I'm left absolutely speechless. I don't know what more there is to say here. I mean, the only thing I can say, guys, is please don't come through Haulover thinking you're a Haulover cowboy. As this guy just represented, I promise you are not, and obviously this round goes to Haulover Inlet. Our next contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to show us what it's like when you're getting the job done, so hopefully they have a little more success than our last contestant. But here we've got an invincible quad 400 Mercuries on the back, and this boat right here is set up to destroy Haulover Inlet, and it appears it's going to absolutely do so. This boat just comes blasting its way through. My man's just got the throttles down, letting the boat do the work, and just kind of flying through the inlet having a good time. It doesn't even matter when the dogs start barking. My man still keeps on the throttle and powers his way through the inlet. It's going to take an easy win for the boats here in the fourth round. That's going to leave us tied at 2 apiece heading into the fifth and final round. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to play one of my favorite games that I realize we haven't played in a while. Can they hang on here in the fifth round for the win? If this crew can make it through Haulover Inlet hanging onto the ski, the boats will take the win this week. If not, Haulover takes the win. Here they come blasting out of the inlet, and right here they're going to get almost vertical, and they're down for the count, and Haulover's going to take a win this week. Haulover absolutely knocked everybody out this week, it feels like. Haulover definitely delivered in this episode, ringing in the new year right. Thanks for watching, guys, and we hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, that focuses on all the hilarity that happens on the boat ramps around Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.